Hey guys, I'm gonna let you know right now, bro. Be prepared for probably one of the worst days in Nike history. I'm gonna call it right now. That's how crazy it's gonna be on this day. We gotta talk about it. I know a lot of you guys probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Given the fact we got some crazy information today, circulating all the way around the internet, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and all that stuff. We gotta talk about it, man. So sit back, relax, and let's go and hop into today's video, man. Let's get it. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, for tapping in. I know y'all seen the thumbnail. I know y'all seen the title. Like, yo, what is DeVintage talking about? And like I said, man, it might be Wednesdays and Tuesdays. I know exactly what we are talking about today. Before we get any further with the video, before we get any further, y'all gotta pay y'all dues. Y'all gotta hit that like button. That's the only thing I ask you guys for every single video, man. Hit that like button. If you don't comment, you don't do nothing else, man. Hit the like for your boy, and if you do, and if you are interested in, you know what I'm saying, subscribing to the channel, you like the vibes, you feeling the content, go and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. Of course, all my social media links will be down below, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys join my Whatnot, because I will be giving away a pair of Air Jordan 4 military blues on Whatnot, and that is tonight. So make sure you guys tap in, link down below. We're going live tonight around 8:30. Be there or be square. All right, guys, so today I was scrolling on Twitter, I was scrolling on Instagram, and I got some very interesting news that popped up. I said, yo, this cannot be real. This cannot be possibly real. And it happens to be an actual thing. And that is the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin's will be releasing. Not only are the J Balvin's gonna be releasing, but they also dropping the Nike SB Dunk Low Futuras, man. The Futuras, it's been a sneaker that a lot of people have been interested in. A lot of people have been buzzing about. A lot of people have been trying to get them on raffles and stuff like that. That is a super hype sneaker on top of another hype sneaker. You guys can check your sneakers out right now. Both of them things will be releasing May the 22nd. May 22nd for both of these. I'm gonna put a screenshot up there. I said, there's no way you're gonna do this on a Wednesday, and they both dropping at the same time. Like, what happened? What happened in the market, and what happened in them dropping things in a good, you know, stretched out manner? But they're gonna be doing two major releases, bro, in the J Balvin and the Futura SB Dunk Lows. And I don't know how they messed it up. I don't know how they did it, but it's just all funny how they pushed back Black Cat 3s and pushed back all other types of colorways due to X, Y, and Z. But they dropping two major hype releases on the same day on a Wednesday. And you guys already know how it's gonna go. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be so much traffic on the app that day. And I think it's gonna remind a lot of people of the Jordan 1 Lost and Found drop that happened a couple years ago. You guys know that's probably one of the worst days in Nike sneakers history. But I think this upcoming Wednesday, May the 22nd, bro, it's gonna be even worse, bro. Because you gotta think, man, the J Balvin's is a shoe that a lot of people have been talking about. A lot of people have been really would have won for the collection, you know what I'm saying? And we got the news that you gotta have spent $100 over his website to get the shoe for exclusive access. There will be another drop on his website other than the exclusive access. So you got two opportunities, I guess you could say, over there. And then a lot of people bank and put their bread all in one basket for the Nike sneakers app. At least I know I do, because I feel like that's probably one of the fairest opportunities to get them. You know, everything else probably be botted out and stuff like that. No bot protection. Nike claim it has bot protection. I have been hitting it recently. So, you know, I gotta, you know, put all my eggs in one basket in the Nike sneakers app. So hopefully I do hit. Not saying it's gonna be confirmed. Not saying that's 100%, but I'm really relying on the Nike sneakers app to give your boy a huge dub on these J Balvin Air Jordan 3s. Don't have the white pair, but definitely would love to add the black pair to the collection. And for the Futuras, I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but for those SB Dunk Lows that everybody's been raving for, that everybody's been wanting, I'm talking about people that, you know, over here on the channel, we talk primarily about, you know, Jordan and stuff like that. But it's people here that talk to them about Jordans in the comment section that have been asking me even about these SB Dunk Lows. And I'm like, yo, I don't know what y'all see in them. It is a very, you know, wild, exotic colorway, just like, you know, similar to the J Balvin's. They got a lot of colors and stuff like that. But for me, I'm not 100% sold on that dunk. I try for every single one. You guys know I try for every single SB. I try for every single dunk. Always end up taking the L on restock, shock drops. It don't matter. Whatever drop it is, SBs is just, like, they don't like me, bro. Nike don't want me to buy no SBs for the collection, man. But I will be trying for both of these on this upcoming Wednesday, bro. Crazy day. J Balvin's, Futura's, and like, yo, it's gonna be a wild day. And I know a lot of people gonna be complaining, a lot of people gonna be salty, a lot of people gonna be like, yo, why is Nike doing this? Why are y'all doing this to us sneakerheads? You're gonna have people thinking X, Y, and Z. People gonna say it's botted out, but it's gonna be so much traffic on the app that day. I'm already foreseeing, you know what I'm saying, card errors, payment information errors, shipping errors, they log you out of your account, and all types of stuff. We already know what's gonna happen, and I'm just want you guys to be prepared for it. It's gonna be a wild day. Be prepared for the madness that, you know, Nike has, they put on us, bro. It is what it is. It's reality at this point. The only way we can get saved if they do push back one of their 2 drops. If they push one of the 2 back, that might be good for us consumers because we probably have a fairer shot at it. But with so many people on the app for 2 major sneakers like that, we can best believe there's going to be some type of chaos, some type of crazy stuff happening on the drop day. So yeah, guys, May the 22nd. I think it's May the 22nd, Wednesday at 10 Eastern Standard Time. And these things will be dropping. J Balvin Air Jordan 3s and the Futura Laboratory SP Dunk Lows will be dropping, man. So y'all be ready. Make sure you get your brand right. Make sure you got your card information, everything enter into the sneakers app, because it's going to be one of them days where you're like, yo, I know this is not happening to me right now, but it's probably happening to a lot of people with all these errors that Nike's going to be sending to all of us, man. Just be prepared, man. I'm just letting y'all guys know. There's no lie, y'all probably like, yo, why are they doing this? And me, myself, I don't even know. So subscribe to the channel right now if you're new, man. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Leave a huge like. Again, I will be live tonight on the Whatnot app. Make sure you tap in. I will be giving away a pair of Original 4 Military Blues. So don't miss out. That's my opportunity to give back to you guys. So if you rocking out with your boy, you want to win a free pair of sneakers, click that link, join Whatnot, follow me, ASAP Rocky, and that's how we're going to do it, man. Love y'all. Again, appreciate all the support. All that's being said, man, be ready for May 22nd. It's going to be a crazy, crazy day, man. Peace.